Hello, good morning everyone. Class 9th, the students who belong to CBSE and RBSE schools. My dear students, class 9th and your topic is on progress. Your topic is voice. Today, we will try of our best to finish the topic. Voice. And in previous class, we discussed about imperative sentences and prepositional sentences. But today, we will discuss about going to. Going to. In active voice, if you find going to, I will tell you what is the structure of active voice and how do we change this structure of active voice into passive voice. So dear students, here we will write structure. What is the structure? Structure of active voice. First of all, you will find subject plus is, are, am, or, was, were, plus going to, plus am be first, plus object, plus etc. This is your structure of active voice. But my dear students, how do we change this active voice structure into passive voice? We have to know this. In general way, we cannot change a sentence of intransitive verb into passive voice. And here we can say go is an intransitive verb that does not take any object behind it. But my dear students, if you find is, are, am plus going to, so is, are, am going to is not a main verb, it is a helping verb. If we want to do some work in near future, then we use is, are, am going to, and in past was, were going to. For example, I say I am going to teach you, or I can say I shall teach you. I am going to purchase a book, or I can say I shall purchase a book. Both the sentences are the same. If you do not want to write going to, is, are, am going to, then remove is, are, am going to and apply helping verb will or shall. The sentence will be the same. Okay? Dear students, I think you are getting very well. ऐसा तो नहीं है कहीं मैं इंग्लिश ही इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ और आप नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं कुछ बच्चे. हिंदी में थोड़ा सा बोलूँ क्या? चलिए थोड़ा हिंदी में भी यहाँ प्रयास करते हैं. देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ एक्टिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट कर्ता आएगा, इज, आर, एम, वॉज, वर आएगा, इसमें से एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगी और इसके बाद क्या आएगा, गोइंग टू, और गोइंग टू के बाद फिर क्या आएगी, मेन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म, फिर आपको आएगा ऑब्जेक्ट यानी कर्म, फिर आपको इत्यादि दिया हुआ आएगा। निकट भविष्य में किसी काम को करने के लिए हम इज आर एम गोइंग टू लगाते हैं, जैसे कि आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले क्रिकेट, मतलब मैं क्रिकेट खेलने जा रहा हूँ। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ, मतलब मैं क्रिकेट खेलने वाला हूँ। दैट मीन्स आई शैल प्ले क्रिकेट। आई एम गोइंग टू बाई ए कार, मैं कार खरीदने जा रहा हूँ। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं कहीं पैदल जा रहा हूँ या ट्रेन से जा रहा हूँ, बस से जा रहा हूँ, कार खरीदने जा रहा हूँ, नहीं। इसका मतलब ये है कि ये मेरा इंटेंशन है, मेरा इरादा है कि मैं कार खरीदूंगा। और इरादा प्रकट करने के लिए टू एक्सप्रेस वंस इंटेंशन वी ऑलवेज कंस्ट्रक्ट ए सेंटेंस इन फ्यूचर टेंस, and to express any intention we use shall or will as helping verbs. Okay dear students, here we will change this active voice sentence into passive voice. First of all, object. First rule is change the object into the subject. Object into the subject. It is your first rule. I told you about this rule at first, at the beginning of active and passive voice, at the beginning of this topic. Okay? First rule is change the object into the subject. Object into the subject. Plus is, are, am, was, were, going to. You have to write it as it is. But then after to you will use be. This is your second rule. This is your second rule. Change the object into subject, first rule. And second rule is if you find an active voice is, are, am, was, were, going to, then write is, are, am, was, were, going to be in the rule number second. Be. Mind it. Be. And the third rule is write or always use third form of the main verb. Am, be, third. Plus by. And change the subject into the object. This is your fourth rule. And plus etc. Here we will take some examples, dear students. Examples are I am going to buy a car. I is the subject. Am going to, helping verb. Mind it, am going to here in this sentence is not a main verb. It is not expressing present continuous or progressive tense, but it is expressing future indefinite tense. I am going to buy, main verb. A car is the object. First rule is change the object into the subject. A car. Then is, are, am, was, were, going to. A car. Here am is used with I, but here we will use is. A car is going to and apply be, going to be. And the third rule is use third form of the main verb. A car is going to be bought. Fourth rule is buy and change I into me. I into me. Okay? Next example. He was passive active. He was going to teach her. By the way, you can change this into passive voice. First rule is change the object into the subject. She, change her into she was going to and write be. She was going to be. And third rule is taught by, change he into him. Okay, dear students, this is your second example. Third example is Mohit is going to speak the truth. You will write the truth is going to be. First rule is change the object into subject. Second is SRM was for going to be. Third is write third form of the main verb spoken. And fourth is by and change Mohit into Mohit. These are some examples of active and passive. Okay, dear students, here I think you got all the sentences and this rule. But in next class we will take voice, because some one or two rules remained here from today's class. Okay, dear students, I think you copied these sentences from the blackboard by pausing the video. Okay, dear students, with these words I finish my class. Hope you a bright future. Thank you.